Hey guys, another teardown for today. It's AS07B31 Acer battery. It's for Acer Aspire 5350, 5920 and a few others. It's 11.1 volts and excuse me, 4000 milliamp hours. It says it's a Sanyo lithium battery pack, so I guess the actual batteries, the cells inside are Sanyo. Not my favorite, but still. Okay, let's see. Yep, definitely Sanyo cells. It's a 6-cell battery. These are green top Sanyo cells. Okay, let's see what happened. That's a bit low. Yep. So all of them are at about 2 something volts. Not extremely dead, but not very good as well. I will test them and we'll see. Let's see if yeah, we have a model number. It's UR18650Y. Okay, I I will find more information about these cells and add it into the description. Thank you very much guys for watching. Have a good one. Bye.